This is the review for the Kotion B3505 Bluetooth headphones. It arrived well presented in a decent looking box with the main specifications and button functions documented on the box. Inside the box you get the Bluetooth headphones, the USB charging cable, the 3.5mm audio cable, and the user manual. Assessing the quality, the build quality was quite good for a £25 Bluetooth headphones. They were full sized and quite lightweight. Looking closer at the design, it had an appealing modern and retro design that looked more like gaming headphones to some degree. They had 5 control buttons. See, there's 4 there, and there's 1 on the side there. The USB charging port, and you have the auxiliary port. In use, they connected my device within around 5 seconds. It had more than enough long-lasting bass. The mids and highs were actually pretty good. The noise isolation was good, and the only niggle that I had was that there was some interference under the 100 Hz, namely minor hissing and ringing. And they're comfortable to wear. What I liked was that I had more than enough padding around the ear cups and the top of the headband, and the overall length of the headphones can be adjusted. The neutrals, I only had 9 hours from a claimed 10 hours, and it took around 3 hours to charge the 400 mAh battery. The weaknesses: the main body was a bit plasticky. Verdict is 8 out of 10. If you found any parts of the video helpful in any way, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more video reviews, feel free to click on subscribe. And thanks for watching.